just made it to Valley Village, so I'm gonna go thrifting and I'm gonna bring you guys along, see what we can find. It's a Friday afternoon and the parking lot is full. I'll bring you guys along anyways, so hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do, and let's go in. So for this thrift trip, I started off by going into the home section, but I'm actually planning on doing a separate video about thrifting pieces for home, so let's just get into the clothes for now. I started off going into the vests and blazers section. I didn't find anything really in the vest section. There was this one that I was considering, but it wasn't anything I needed. Similar with the blazers, it seems it wasn't my day for blazers and vests this time. But I did find this really cool vest that I will show you in just a second. It was a really cool combination of like a blazer and a vest together, and watching this back I almost wish I did end up getting it, but the only reason I didn't was because the fabric was a little worn and at the back it didn't have the appearance of a vest as much as I would have wanted. But I feel like, yeah, maybe I should have gotten that one. Anyways, and then I went on to look at the pants and skirts. I didn't find anything really in the pants, but I did find a couple really cool skirts, like this leather Danny one. It had like the perfect kind of beige color for fall, which I think is very wearable, and it was a really flattering shape as well. Next, I found this really cool black, super long skirt with a back slit and a pocket at the front. And it had a really amazing sort of nylon tent fabric that you guys know I love if you watch some of my previous videos. I definitely love this style of skirt right now for fall. It's just perfect with like knee-high boots or something, even sneakers really. This skirt was incredible. It was such a beautiful piece. And then I found a couple denim skirts, and this one and the next one are actually the same exact skirt. One of them was just a lighter denim, the other was darker, but unfortunately they were too big on me. But definitely a style that I really like right now as well for denim skirts. So next I moved on and went in front of the mirror just to try a couple of the pieces on briefly. Of course, the black skirt is very versatile for fall. I think it looks so good with a vintage t-shirt, even with like an oversized sweater or something. And then looking at the Danny skirt, it's such a pretty fit and color. And I just was debating because I usually don't wear leather skirts. I wear leather jackets secondhand if anything, so I had to think about it some more, and in the meantime I went into the dresses section and I found this incredible Le Chateau black sheer slip dress. And then I found this next Le Chateau dress as well. This one's incredible. It's like a nice early 2000s kind of style piece, but a little bit too formal at the moment. Then I moved on to the shoe section. I found these Missoni for Target shoes, but they weren't really my style, so I ended up leaving them. They weren't really something I could see myself selling either. I think these are so chic for like spring and summer, maybe into fall as well, although it is getting a bit colder now here in Toronto, so I moved on from those. Actually, okay, yeah, I just totally lied to myself because I did end up getting these shoes. These are incredible Steve Madden kind of like thong flip-flops on a small kitten heel. I just thought they were so pretty. They were in amazing condition as well, so I couldn't pass them up. I found this really cute Guess purse, but it's pretty worn, which is too bad. I keep finding splash shoes now. These are not as nice as the other ones I found, in my opinion, but kind of funny that I keep coming across them. These shoes and they're kind of exactly what I was hoping. These are so cool. They're definitely too small on me though. So So these ended up being too small on me, which was too bad because they had a really cool perforated soft leather kind of fabric, which was really great. And they were kind of sporty, kind of elegant. Also kind of reminded me of something like vintage Prada, which is cool. Then I found these Stuart Weitzman kind of mule heels, but I really didn't need them and they were too big on me anyways, so. Then I decided to go to the top section, which sometimes I avoid just because I don't like looking through them for some reason, but I'm glad I ended up going because I found this cute lace kind of top. It was a really nice soft fabric. And here's a peek of me filming myself. I did find this really incredible corduroy kind of mini vest or top, and then someone was walking by, as you can see, and they were like, oh my god, that is such a cute piece. Corduroy is so perfect for fall. And yeah, so I ended up really liking this piece. It's a bit of a different color for me, so honestly I was into it and I ended up getting this one. Okay, then to my freaking surprise, I went to look at the capris that were just by the mirror and I found these incredible cocaine shorts in kind of a tuxedo fabric, which I have also been looking for ages, so that made me very happy. And finally, as you can see, I went to check out and I had a couple extra pieces there that I did not show you during this video, but I will definitely share them with you in the haul coming up. And yeah, I could not be more surprised and happy. I thought it was going to be so busy and I ended up finding so many good things. So that turned out better than I was expecting. It was so busy when I got here, but I ended up finding 2 bags of really cool pieces.